Fresh drama at Abuja Federal High Court as Nnamdi Kanu clashes with DSS before sitting. On a tense morning at the Abuja Federal High Court, detained IPOB leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu set the stage for another dramatic turn in his ongoing legal saga. Before court proceedings could officially begin, Kanu reportedly pushed a DSS officer while shouting, "Nigeria no dey obey law." The outburst created a momentary stir among court staff, lawyers, and spectators until security personnel quickly restored calm. Please, before we go further, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. Turn on your notification bell for more updates. This will really help this channel to grow. Thank you as you do so. Eyewitnesses described the courtroom as tense and charged, with DSS officials standing alert and Kanu supporters visibly worried but vocal. The judge, Justice James Omotosho, watched silently as the confrontation unfolded. While lawyers from both sides tried to maintain procedural calm, observers say this incident highlights the deep mistrust between Kanu's camp and the DSS, raising questions about detainees' rights and courtroom safety. Human rights organizations have reacted seriously. The issue statement warning that any mistreatment of detainee or unnecessary confrontation with security forces could violate Nigeria's law and international standards. Many activists stress that all detainees, including Kanu, must be treated fairly and that legal proceedings should proceed without intimidation or coercion. Meanwhile, political analysts note that the event has reignited discussion about possible negotiated settlement for the IPOB matter. Southeast leaders continue to advocate for peaceful resolution, fearing that continued detention could escalate regional instability. Some political commentators speculate that incidents like today could escalate talk behind the scenes between IPOB representatives, the federal government, and security agencies. DSS sources speaking on condition of anonymity maintained that their officers were only there to maintain order and follow instruction from higher authorities. They emphasized that no unnecessary force was intended, but the friction underscores a persistent challenges in managing high-profile detainees in Nigerian judicial system. Observers also noted how media presence added intensity to the scene. Cameras captured every expression, the nervous look on Kanu supporters, the alertness of security officers, and the silent focus of lawyers. This has led to discussions about how courtroom transparency can sometimes escalate tension when high-profile figures are involved. Legal experts have weighed in, pointing out that while physical altercations are unacceptable, the incident also reflects frustration over procedural delays and perceived injustice in Kanu's trial. Many analysts note that the repeated disruptions could impact public perception of judicial fairness and credibility in Nigeria. Social media users reacted swiftly. Videos and posts showing Kanu pushing the DSS officer circulated widely, prompting heated debate online. Some praised Kanu for standing up for his rights, while others criticized the action as reckless. This online attention further amplifies the political and legal significance of the event. Historically, Kanu's trial has been highly scrutinized, with previous sections marked by intense courtroom exchanges and challenges to the legal bias of his charges. Today's incident fits into a pattern where procedural disputes and tension between security forces and detainees dominate headlines more than the substantial trial itself. As the day progressed, the court section continued under high security, with officers ensuring no further incidents. Kanu supporters outside the courthouse held small demonstrations, chanting slogans calling for justice, transparency, and fair treatment. Southeast leaders monitoring the situation expressed concern, but urged calm, emphasizing dialogue over confrontation. Analysts warn that if such clashes continue, Nigeria's judiciary may face reputational risk, both locally and internationally. Ensuring fair trial procedures, respecting detainees' rights, and maintaining courtroom order are vital to upholding public confidence in legal institutions. This latest drama also sparked broader questions about political solution to the IPOB crisis. Many observers argue that courtroom confrontations are a symbol of deeper issues requiring negotiation, reconciliation, and respect for human rights. The incident underscored that Nigeria's democratic and legal system are being tested under intense public scrutiny, and how authorities manage high-profile cases like Kanu's could set important precedent for future trials. We will continue to monitor reactions from both Kanu's camp and the DSS. Statements from human rights groups, political analysts, and social media users suggest that public debates around this incident is far from over. What is your opinion on today's court drama? Was Kanu justified in his action, or should the DSS have handled the situation differently? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, like, comment, and share this video. Stay calm, stay safe, and stay updated.